Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing essential safety tips to ensure your bull grill griddle cooking experiences are not only delicious, but also safe. Let's get started. First, let's talk about setup. Always place your bull grill griddle on a flat, stable surface, away from any flammable materials like trees, plants, or wooden structures. Ensure the griddle is properly assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions. Double-check all connections to the propane tank, ensuring they are secure and free from leaks. Before lighting the griddle, do a quick safety check. Inspect the gas hose for any signs of wear or damage. Use a solution of soapy water to check for leaks. Bubbles will indicate a leak that needs fixing. When lighting your griddle, always open the lid first to prevent gas buildup. Turn on the gas and use the ignition switch to light the griddle, keeping your face and body at a safe distance. While cooking, use long-handled utensils to keep your hands away from the heat. Wear heat-resistant gloves to protect your hands from splatters and burns. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and know how to use it. In case of a grease fire, never use water. Instead, cover the flames with a metal lid or use a fire extinguisher. After you're done cooking, turn off the gas supply before turning off the burners. This ensures any residual gas is burned off safely. Allow the griddle to cool completely before cleaning. Clean your griddle regularly to prevent grease buildup, which can cause flare-ups. Use a griddle scraper and appropriate cleaning solutions to keep it in top condition. By following these safety tips, you can enjoy delicious meals on your bull grill griddle while keeping yourself and your loved ones safe. Happy grilling! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.